You're probably asking yourself, how many rules can English have? And how many more should I learn? The answer to both questions is a lot. Which brings me to our second point today, asking about amounts and using quantifiers. To ask about a count noun, use how many plus the plural form of the noun. To ask about a non-count noun, use how much plus the non-count noun. To answer, we can use quantifiers. For example, with count nouns, we can say a few, some, several, many, a lot, or none. With non-count nouns, we can say not much, a little, some, a lot, or none. And finally, we can use yes-no questions to ask about amounts with either count or non-count nouns. Just be sure to use any before the noun. By the way, the answer to the second question is no, not today. See you next time.